Hello to YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to get your WoW private server 3.0.9. I'll tell you how to update it to 3.0.9 and how to make it public. Okay, first of all, to make it public you have to have hamachi, so go ahead and go to google.com and then type in hamachi. Now type in search, and it's the second. You don't want the first one, that's not the right one. Go to the second one down. Now find the one you want to download for, Windows, Linux, or OSK. Or OS X, I meant. I got Windows, so I downloaded it for Windows. Okay, now it should pop up as something on your desktop and you'll have to install it. Then it should come up like this. Okay, now for this you'll have to go through like a little this is how to do it thing. It'll just tell you this to how to work with the hamachi. Okay, now you should have a bunch of numbers up here. I only have a short amount of numbers, lucky me. You might have more. They'll start with the 5. Write these numbers down or just keep your hamachi open. Okay, now go ahead and make a network. So go to this create or join network and create a new network. And then your network name. And then make a password. And create. And then it should pop up something like that. Now you've created a network for people to join to you. Now, for people to join you have to have them download hamachi, and then they'll go to the little triangle thing, hit it, and go join. And then instead of like they'll do the same thing you just did. So type in the network and password. Yeah, I can't join because I'm the host of it, but it'll let them join you. Okay, now I don't want this network, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Delete. Yes. Okay. Now from here you go to your repack folder. I have an AC web, so it's right here. Okay, now you find Art Community right here, and then find configs. Now go to login server. It'll pop up back here. Maximize this. Okay, now. For this, everything should be the same right here. You just scroll down until you find allowed IPs, allowed mod IPs. Now, it'll say right here, it'll be like this. It'll be like that. Change this, the 127.0.0.1 to your hamachi. And the second one, the allowed mod IPs, should be the same as the allowed IPs. Now, for 3.0.9, it can be like this. The max build 99999, and then the min build 9551, or min build 9551, max build 9551. As long as you have 9551 for min build. Okay, now login server is done. Now go to your realms. Now in your realms, this is where you can change the name of your realm to. Okay, now right here it says login server address. It should say, again, it should say like that. Change that to your hamachi. And scroll down until you see realm 1. Now there it can say like AC web or whatever. Change your name here in configs. This is where you change the name. Right there. The name of the realm. You change it right there. And now right here on address it'll say like that again. Change that again to your hamachi, so to be 5.6.7. You do not put 5.6.7.57. That's my hamachi. You put your hamachi, whatever the numbers are on your hamachi right here at the top. That's what you put right there and on your realms and on your login server. Okay, so exit out of there. Okay, now what you do from here is go to your WoW server or your WoW folder. Data, ENUS or ENGB, and find realm list. And now here you'll have like set realm list US something, and it'll be like 3 pages long. Just delete all that and put your hamachi there. Okay, now hit X and back. Okay, now you're finished basically. Now you can log into your server with your thing. Now I'm going to put a video up on how to have both private server and public. You can play on both at the same time. There is a way. I will make a video shortly after this. Okay, now what you do from here is you just start your realms in your login server. You're going to start WoW. And you log in with whatever account you have, admin, or whatever you made. I've made a video on how to get a database to make accounts way easier and all that too. So let's log in. Oops. Typed in a totally different wrong thing. There we go. And as you see, I have all these characters. Now, when you're here, you can make custom weapons. I made a video on that. Custom portals, a video again. I have basically a video on everything you can do with your private server. If you're a person out there that knows how to get a private, I would love to know how to update my server so my friends can play on retail and mine at the same time, and we can have tier 8 gear. So if you do, please message me. Again, that would be very, very helpful. I'll make a video here shortly too on cool GM moves like Hands of God, or even this one. It's pretty sweet. I'll make a video on them here shortly too. So that was my tutorial on how to make a WoW private server public with Hamachi. Thank you. Please rate, subscribe, and comment.